We're about 5 clicks from Quebec, the border between Brunswick and Quebec. Oh, beautiful evening ride. Yeah, it's the stuff. It's getting a little dark out. I put a little light on my bike. It's kind of pretty good. I think that should let me bike at night for, I don't know, until the cars quiet down, and then I could just keep biking all night. Riviere de Loup is only 94 kilometers from here. Where is Gold Night? Everything's all wet. I've been sitting outside this Tim Hortons all night, editing and posting the last 4 YouTube videos. I just made the last 4 They're all scheduled to be released, except the last YouTube video. It's gonna take another 2.5 hours to upload because it's 20 minutes long. I didn't sleep last night again. What I do for my art. Whew. Finally finished posting those videos. It took all night. It's 5 to 8. I don't know if I want to cycle or go camp. I guess I'll figure it out. I do love these early morning rides. They're so cool, but the sun starts to warm you up. It just is the best. I took the service road up here. Just looking for a place to nap. I gotta bike back like a couple kilometers down that hill and go back around. I just want a nice place to take a nap. I need to take a nap right down there. Yay! I was missing a nap. I'm taking a nap. Woo! That sun is absolute scorcher. Woo! Ha! Packed up. I'm ready to get on the road. Could you imagine? I just need 2 wheels on the tent. I'll turn the cart into a side cart. That'd be wild. Yeah, that's nice. What's happened? Something's happened. Fuck. I got a flat 5 minutes from like 5 kilometers from the next stop. And it's 8 p.m. and the store's gonna close. I got a flat, I gotta push it 5 kilometers. Fuck. Gotta fix the flat. I just pulled that out of the wheel. That's what did it. Okay, back in action. I gotta get to the stores before they close. 8:42. Woohoo! Get some yummy foods. Help me on this bike ride. I'm gonna go sit outside that gas station back there and have some supper before you get back on the road. Okay. Get back on the road. St. Louis the haha. lost my double lane. And now I lost my shoulder. This road is getting real sketch. I feel like Mercury, the vampire queen. Hiding from the sun. Get to Riviere, loup. But my bum's sore, so I'm taking a little rest. I don't want to get cold. The only thing keeping me warm is cycling. We camped here. And construction worker like pretty aggressively harassed me off the road. And up here. Now, I don't have any data, but I think this road does continue on. Can't take this road any further this way because it says it's a cul-de-sac. And get back onto the highway here. It says no bicycles, but from Edmundson to Riviere, loup, there's only one road and there's no bicycles on it, and so, you know, you just have to do it and hope you don't get harassed. So I am back on the no bicycle road, which is the only road. I think it'll be fine now because back to double lane, the construction's done, there's a wide shoulder, it's a really good road at this point. I've taken it last year, I've taken this road before, like many times, so hopefully the construction guy won't harass me anymore. Riviere, loup. Edmundson to Riviere, loup is always a challenging ride. You gotta get up and over, and then you're on the St. Lawrence. Yay! And Riviere, loup. Yay! I just had a little pop-up performance. Alright, I'm gonna get something yummy to eat now and get on my way. Go find somewhere to camp tonight. I got some food.